Every bite of feed has a cost and a purpose. It's carefully balanced, nutritionally calculated, and intended for one goal: to fuel milk production and support a healthy cow. But what if a good chunk of that costly ration ends up under hooves, not in stomachs? If you're hearing the crunch of wasted hay underfoot instead of the contented chew of your herd, it's time to rethink your feeding strategy. Welcome to the philosophy of feed the cow, not the floor. A powerful reminder that efficiency in feeding isn't just good practice, it's profitability in action. There are 3 rations in every dairy operation. The ration on paper, what your nutritionist designs, a perfectly balanced mix of forage, grain, minerals, and vitamins. The ration delivered to the cow, what actually ends up in the feed bunk or feeder. The ration the cow consumes, the only one that truly matters. This is what the cow eats, and often it's far from the original plan. Differences between these rations often result from feed sorting, inconsistent mixing, or simple spillage. And when cows don't eat what's intended, both milk yields and cow health suffer. Cows are clever eaters. Give them a chance, and they'll pick through their ration like a picky toddler, munching on the tastiest bits and leaving the rest. This is called feed sorting, and it leads to an imbalanced intake. Too much grain, too little fiber, or the opposite, depending on their preferences. You can reduce sorting with proper forage chop length. Aim for around 1 inch to reduce the ability to sort out longer fiber pieces. Moisture matters. Dry rations are easier to sort. Adding water or liquid feed, like molasses, helps bind particles together. Consistent mixing, a well-blended total mixed ration, TMR, ensures cows can't. Beyond sorting, much of your feed might literally fall to the ground and rot, or get stomped into mud. This is especially true in open feeding systems and when hay is offered loosely on the ground. Solutions include the use of hay feeders or racks. This simple shift can reduce hay waste by up to 50%, according to multiple forage studies. Limit daily feed. Only offer what cows can eat in a set time, then remove refusals before spoilage sets in. Rotate feeding areas. Keeps the ground fresh and prevents mud buildup that contributes to trampling and contamination. Using no-waste hay feeders designed for cattle can dramatically cut down floor waste and save you serious money. Every kilogram of feed wasted is not just lost money, it's lost milk, lost growth, and lost efficiency. Think of feed not as just nutrition, but as an investment. If it doesn't go through the cow, you won't get the return. By focusing on better feed delivery, minimizing sorting, and controlling waste, you're not just feeding your cows, you're feeding your profits. So next time you're at the bunk or pasture, remember, feed the cow, not the floor. Your bottom line will thank you.